Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cookie presses that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the OXO Softworks 20-piece cookie press set. This product stands out for its comprehensive package, which includes a cookie press, storage case, and 18 cookie discs. The measured portion feature ensures consistent cookies with every lever press, making it an attractive option for precision bakers. The non-slut base adds stability during use, while the clear cylinder lets you see how much dough is left, helping you avoid interruptions mid-session. Now, in terms of design and build quality, the OXO Softworks cookie press utilizes durable plastic materials and features a contoured lever that feels comfortable in hand. However, at 2 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which might be worth considering if you're planning extended baking sessions. On the performance side, the press delivers consistent results, but the discs may feel limiting for bakers who require ultra-detailed designs. Overall, this product is a solid mid-range choice for casual bakers or families looking to create visually appealing cookies for holidays and special occasions. Its dishwasher-safe design adds convenience, but the $23.88 price tag is slightly steep, given the relatively small number of discs compared to premium competitors. Pros include the quality build and intuitive operation, while cons center around limited patterns and the bulkier design. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Wilton Simple Success Cookie Press, 13-piece. This is your budget-friendly option, priced at just $12.12, making it perfect for those who don't want to break the bank. Despite its affordable price, it offers plenty of features, including a clear barrel for monitoring dough levels and an ergonomic handle with a soft grip trigger that makes operation easy and comfortable. The set comes with 12 versatile cookie discs, featuring seasonal favorites like Christmas, trees, and snowmen, as well as everyday designs like hearts and stars. In terms of design, the Wilton cookie press is lightweight at only 9.4 ounces, which makes it especially great for beginners or anyone who needs a simple, no-fuss tool. However, the build quality relies heavily on plastic components, meaning it's not as durable as the stainless steel models on this list. Performance-wise, it gets the job done, but may struggle with thicker doughs or more intricate designs due to its simpler mechanism. If you're looking for an affordable cookie press to use occasionally or to introduce kids to baking, this is a great pick. It's easy to clean and store, but keep in mind that it's not ideal for professional-grade baking or heavy-duty use. Pros include the unbeatable price and ease of use, while cons include the less robust build and limitations with tougher doughs. At rank number 3, we have the Glee Stainless Steel Cookies Press, priced at $18.74. This cookie press offers a significant upgrade in durability with its polished stainless steel construction. It's designed for versatility, featuring 13 cookie discs and 8 piping tips, which gives you the ability to create cookies, biscuits, and even decorative cake designs. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip and makes repetitive use much easier. While its disassembly feature simplifies cleaning, the build quality is impressive, with stainless steel ensuring resistance to rust and wear. Its lightweight design, at just 13.7 ounces, makes it easy to maneuver even during long baking sessions. However, the piping tips feel slightly less sturdy compared to the cookie discs, so careful handling is recommended. Performance-wise, it excels with both soft and medium doughs and is perfect for creating professional-looking cookies for holidays, parties, or everyday treats. Overall, the Glee Cookie Press is ideal for bakers who want a durable tool with added versatility for decorating cakes and pastries. Pros include the high-quality build, ergonomic design, and additional piping tips, while cons include slight fragility in the piping attachments and the need for hand washing instead of dishwasher cleaning. In second place is the OXO Good Grips 14-piece cookie press set. Priced at $22.99, This model is all about user-friendly features and consistent performance. The press lever is large and comfortable, making it ideal for repetitive use, while the clear barrel allows you to monitor dough levels easily. The non-slip base adds stability, ensuring precision with every cookie. This set includes 12 stainless steel cookie discs in both classic and custom designs, offering plenty of creative options. The design and build quality are excellent, with BPA-free plastic and stainless steel discs that are built to last. It comes apart effortlessly for filling and cleaning, making the post-baking process hassle-free. While it performs well with various dough types, thicker doughs may require a bit more effort, which is something to keep in mind if you're planning complex recipes. This cookie press is perfect for casual bakers who want consistent results without overcomplicating the process. It's not the cheapest option, but it offers a good balance of quality and features at its price point. Pros include the durable build, clear barrel, and non-slip base, while cons include slightly less versatility compared to higher-end models with more discs or accessories. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the 14-piece cookie press set by Ryaphyr, priced at $33.99. This premium option offers everything you could want from a cookie press. Its upgraded press and release system ensures beautiful and consistent cookies with minimal effort, while the 12 stainless steel cookie patterns provide versatility for any occasion. The included storage case is a thoughtful addition for keeping everything organized. The non-slip base and lever make this press extremely comfortable for repetitive use, even during long baking sessions. The build quality is exceptional, with a combination of stainless steel and food-grade plastic that ensures durability and safety. It's a heavier-duty design, weighing 1.57 pounds, but this adds to its stability and confidence during operation. Performance-wise, it handles all types of dough with ease, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced bakers looking for precise results. If you're serious about baking or want a cookie press that can deliver professional-grade results, the Ryaphyr 14-piece cookie press set is worth every penny. Pros include the heavy-duty design, versatile disc patterns, and ease of use, while the only con is the higher price point. However, for avid bakers, this is an investment that pays off in quality and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.